Welcome to All About AI. I'm Hassan Khan, and today we're diving into a new era of content creation. If you're a creator, marketer, or business looking to level up your video and audio, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Say goodbye to the old ways of editing and meet Tunee AI, the smartest AI music agent. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll see why Tunee AI is the ultimate AI-powered solution that every creator needs. Whether it's for Tunee AI music, creating a Tunee AI music video, or mastering your next Tunee AI tutorial. If you want to learn more about the power of AI in content creation, make sure to like this video and subscribe to All About AI for more updates on the latest AI tools. Content creation has always been a challenge. Whether you're editing podcasts, music, or videos, achieving professional quality sound and visuals has often meant endless hours of work. But that's about to change. We all know how long it can take to get that perfect audio mix or clear video. But now there's Tunee AI, a groundbreaking tool designed to eliminate all those struggles. With Tunee AI music video generator, you can quickly create amazing videos with enhanced sound and visuals. So what makes Tunee AI so different? For starters, it's not just another editing tool, it's an AI-powered platform that adapts to your content. No more generic presets or endless tweaking. With Tunee AI, you get perfectly tailored results in just a few clicks. Whether you're a podcaster needing clear, crisp audio or a musician wanting that polished sound, Tunee AI learns from your content and instantly adjusts to deliver the best possible outcome. This is the future of Tunee AI music and music video generation. So how does Tunee AI work its magic? Well, it's all about machine learning. The platform uses advanced AI to analyze your content in real time, identifying things like background noise, volume inconsistencies, and even tonal balance. It then applies precise adjustments that give you professional level results in minutes. One of the standout features of Tunee AI is its ability to customize for different content types. Whether you're creating a podcast, a YouTube video, or a music track, Tunee AI understands what your content needs and adapts its settings automatically. With presets for various types of content like podcasts, voiceovers, and even music, Tunee AI ensures that each project gets the perfect treatment. It's the ultimate Tunee AI music video generator for creators who want to take their videos to the next level. Don't just take our word for it. Let's look at how Tunee AI is already changing the game for creators everywhere. Now, let's dive into a real-world example of Tunee AI working its magic on music. One of the users wanted to create a warm folk song. The goal was to capture that peaceful, healing vibe with an acoustic guitar as the centerpiece, evoking an afternoon sun shining through the window onto the wooden floor. This was their journey. With Tunee AI, they crafted the perfect prompt, a gentle folk song with fingerstyle guitar and mellow strumming. From there, Tunee AI generated a beautiful piece, blending acoustic guitar and soothing melodies. It didn't stop there. After generating the song, Tunee AI helped them create a music video to match the vibe, capturing the peaceful, sunlit atmosphere perfectly. Whether you're working on a Tunee AI music video or polishing your track, this tool provides a seamless, integrated experience. From a simple folk song to a full-fledged, polished Tunee AI music video, this creator was able to effortlessly produce a piece that feels like an afternoon spent basking in sunlight. With the help of Tunee AI, this user was able to take their music from concept to completion in no time, all while capturing the sunlit, healing essence they were aiming for. And this is just the beginning. With Tunee AI, content creators are not only improving their workflow, they're entering a new era of content creation. AI is making high-quality audio and video accessible to everyone, and Tunee AI is at the forefront of this revolution. Collaboration has never been easier. Share your AI-enhanced files with your team in real time and watch your projects come to life faster than ever. Ready to experience the future of content creation? Tunee AI is here to transform how you work with audio and video, offering quality, speed, and simplicity, all powered by AI. Sign up for your free trial today and see why Tunee AI is already the tool of choice for creators everywhere with All About AI. Remember, Tunee AI is here to stay, and it's the future of content creation. Don't let outdated tools hold you back. Let Tunee AI take your content to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips, tricks, and AI insights from All About AI.